If you've been using AI video generators lately, you know the struggle. You generate an incredible cinematic shot, but it's completely silent. It breaks the immersion immediately. You then have to spend hours finding stock sound effects, trying to sync footsteps or ambient noise, and it never feels quite right. Well, that workflow just changed. Today, I am showing you Higgsfield AI's newest update, Kling 2.6 audio. This isn't just a video generator anymore. It's a multimodal engine that creates high fidelity video and synchronized audio in a single flow. I'm going to walk you through a full tutorial on how to use it, compare the pricing, because spoiler alert, it's actually the cheapest option on the market right now, and tell you how you can get unlimited generations if you act fast. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Kling 2.6 audio? Higgsfield has integrated this model to solve the silent movie problem. It generates the scene, the atmosphere, and the voices all at once. This is huge for creators making shorts, explainers, or even VFX tests. Before, silence used to break the illusion. Now, the sound timing and performance are generated together. It features better motion fidelity, meaning more stable objects and cleaner camera paths. It has higher prompt precision, so it actually listens to your direction, and it outputs in full 1080p quality. Before we dive into the live demo, I want to show you exactly why this update matters. We often underestimate how much audio drives the emotion of a video. I ran a test earlier with the exact same prompt. First, I generated it without audio, the way we are used to doing it. Let's see two examples. It looks great, right? The visuals are sharp, but it feels distant. It feels like a GIF. Now, here is that exact same generation with Kling 2.6 audio enabled. The difference is night and day. The immersion isn't just a buzzword. The audio actually helps your brain accept the video as real footage. This is what we are unlocking today. Let's jump into the workflow. I'm here on the Higgsfield.ai website. Just a quick note for viewers. Make sure you are using the desktop website for this, as there are no official mobile apps associated with Higgsfield right now. First, I'm selecting the Kling 2.6 audio model. You'll see we have options here. We can go for native audio, which builds the sound right in, or we can toggle silent output if we plan on doing our own sound design later. But today, we want to hear what this thing can do. I'm going to start with a test of atmosphere. I'm typing in a prompt for a cyberpunk city. I'm specifically asking for heavy rain and hovering cars. The model needs to interpret not just the visual of the rain, but the specific texture of the sound, the rain hitting the pavement and the sci-fi hum of the cars. Let's see the result. Did you hear that? The rain wasn't just generic white noise. It matched the visual depth of the scene. That is instant scene blocking. But now let's try the ultimate test. Sound effects are one thing, but what about a human voice? Can it synchronize dialogue with the character's lips? I'm typing this specifically. A young traveler stepping off a train. The traveler speaks, "I made it." I want to see if Kling 2.6 audio can actually deliver that line of dialogue and match the mouth movements to the sound. This is usually where AI video breaks down. Let's see the result.
I made it.
Look at that. You can hear the footsteps, the distant station announcements adding to the reverb, and crucially, the character actually speaks the line. The audio matches the movement. This opens up massive possibilities for narrative storytelling. You aren't just generating B-roll anymore, you are generating actual shots with performance. Again, the coherence here is impressive. It's creating a vibe instantly. Whether you are an advertiser needing a quick concept or a storyteller, this cuts your editing time in half. Now, I want to pause here and give you a pro tip for getting the best results with Kling 2.6 audio. This is something a lot of people miss. Since this is a multimodal model, it reads your prompt for audio cues, not just visual ones. If you just type a car driving, the AI has to guess what that sounds like. Is it a quiet electric car, a roaring muscle car, a distant taxi? To get the best result, you need to write for the ear. Instead of just typing a dragon flying, try typing a dragon flying. Heavy leathery wings flapping loudly, wind rushing past the camera, deep guttural growl. By adding those specific sound keywords, you guide the AI to generate a specific soundscape. Let's see how Kling handles those specific audio instructions.
Low. Roll.
See, you can hear the weight of the wings. That specific detail came from the prompt. So when you try this yourself, be descriptive with your sound words. One last feature I need to mention for content creators specifically is the aspect ratio flexibility. Kling 2.6 is designed for modern content workflows. That means shorts and TikToks. You can toggle right here between 16.9 for YouTuber videos like this one or 9.16 for vertical content. If you are running a faceless channel or doing motivational shorts, being able to generate the video and the background ambience in one click is a massive time saver. You don't have to go find sad rain sounds to overlay on your video. You just generate it vertically and it's ready to post. Now, let's talk business. Because high quality AI video can get expensive really fast. I want to show you this comparison chart. Higgsfield is currently ranked number 1 for a reason. Look at the cost per generation for Kling 2.6. On Higgsfield, it's costing you about 0.29 cents. Compare that to the competitors. On platforms like FreePic, Artlist, OpenArt, or InVideo, you are looking at anywhere from 48 cents up to $2, 45 cents per generation for similar tech. Higgsfield isn't just offering the newest model, they are offering it at the lowest price point on the market. If you are doing volume work, generating dozens of clips a day, that difference adds up to hundreds of dollars a month. But here is the most important part of this video. If you are watching this before December 12th, listen closely. Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate plans. Unlimited. Usually you are capped by credits, but with this deal you can generate as many iterations as you need to get the perfect shot. This is a massive deal for power users. I've linked everything in the description below, including the prompts I used today, so you can try them yourself. If you want to step up your AI video game and stop dealing with silent clips, go check out Kling 2.6 on Higgsfield. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.